Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Hands on Nuggets. This is the first video of our Germany series. I hope you have seen the trailer. If not, I'll leave the link in the description. Feel free to watch that video. We were going Germany via Dubai. So we booked our tickets on Emirates as they provide free stay in a luxurious hotel with a complimentary meal if you meet their criteria. The program is called Dubai Connect. I would recommend go through their conditions carefully. And here are some conditions as of today. First condition, either you are flying with first class or business class, then your layover has to be between 6 to 26 hours. If you are traveling with premium economy or economy class, then your layover should be between 8 to 26 hours. If you are transiting once, that means your return journey is not via Dubai, then your ticket price has to be $700 or more. And if you are transiting twice, that means if your return ticket is via Dubai, then your ticket value has to be $1,000 or more. Next condition is both your inbound and outbound flight must be Emirates or Qantas flights. Next condition is you have to successfully obtain UAE visa. For certain nationalities, they do not require visa to enter UAE. So, if you are meeting all of these conditions, then feel free to log into Dubai Connect portal and then submit your request at least 24 hours before your inbound flight's arrival in Dubai. That's a small info about Dubai Connect program. I would highly recommend you to go through their terms and conditions before applying for Dubai Connect, as they might have changed the terms and conditions. So, with Germany's Opportunity Card Visa, we started our journey from Bangalore Terminal 2. It is widely considered as one of the beautiful airports in the world. After getting our boarding pass, immigration and security check, we went to International Lounge 080. The name came after this city's STD code 080. They accept wide variety of cards. Please check your card benefits if you have a free lounge access. We used our HDFC and Amex card to get a free access to the lounge, and they charge only 2 rupees from each card if your card is eligible. They will give 2 coupons per person which you can use to get some alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks if you are interested. After few hours of flying, we reached Dubai. After inquiring in Dubai Connect help desk in Dubai Airport, we got to know that we are not eligible for the program as we didn't meet one of their criteria, which is our one-way ticket price was less than $700. So we went to DXB Hotel, which is in the airport. I don't remember the exact amount, but they charge somewhere around $250 for one night. The room was quite spacious and luxurious. It was an amazing experience to stay in a hotel within an airport. For entertainment, they had a lot of indoor games as well. Next day morning, we were hopping different shops in the airport and later we took our next flight to Frankfurt. That's it in this video. Hope you liked the video and got some info about Dubai Connect. See you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe.